Hello, everyone. Hello. I'm going to get right to it. I did some tweaking, some editing to my myincomejob.com blog website, and I worked on the footer and I created a new post. I'll speak about that in a moment. But this is the before. This is what it looked like. It's kind of sloppy. I did keep the background, but I made it more appealing and I refreshed the content and I tweaked things around. And this is the finished product. That looks so much more appealing, clean, sleek. It's the visual, it's visually appealing. And this content here, for the most part, it's almost exactly what I have on storebuy.shop, but this, I wrote some fresh content and you can do whatever you want with your website and it came out really good. This is the stuff you can do. I write myincomejob.com is a platform I use to write about how I earn money, and the subjects range from working gig apps, building websites and blogging, ad income, YouTube income, affiliate income, investing in the traditional stock market and cryptocurrency, and anything else I use to form more income streams. It came out so nice. I kept the background because I like the background. I'm not done with it yet. I moved this to its own widget, and I'll show you that in a moment, the widgets, because I use the free version. I might as well show you now. I use the free version of Astra for myincomejob.com. I use the pro version for storebuy.shop. And in the free version, you can only update the footer area like this, like add the content. You see the content? Widget area 2. You see the content? Widget area 3. You can't do that in the custom area where the pro you could update in both areas. So I use the Astra free theme, and you can adjust the footer in the widgets area. That's where you see the footers. Okay. I wrote a new blog post today that you entrepreneurs, you might find it very useful. I share how I'm moving forward with building successful businesses and how I continue to learn how to use money as a tool, and it came out really good. So you can visit myincomejob.com, myincomejob.com. The first post, money is a tool. And you can read that there if you want to learn about that. And this on the bottom, I have AdSense auto ads set on all my websites. And you see how they added 2 ads on the bottom here? That's cool. I like that a lot. That's pretty neat. Because AdSense, Google AdSense, are placing the ads throughout my websites. Here's another ad. Here's a couple of ads on top. It's pretty neat. And if I tap on this article, you see that's the sticky ad I have. But you see they have another ad here. Oh, another ad there. They placed those ads. Oh, they placed one right at the bottom. Very nice. I like that. Right before the comment section. Pretty cool. What else to show you? Oh, and this is something that can happen with Google AdSense ads because I have it set on auto. So sometimes they show a couple of ads on the bottom and that might, see what it did to the footer? But it's not horrible. People can tell, oh, it's because of the ads. But I like the way they're not intrusive. Oh, and that's my bottom part of the widgets. That is footer bar section 1, footer bar section 2 in the freebie version. That's good to show you. Because that's the bottom. I write, thank you for visiting myincomejob.com. And that's when I started working on this website. They don't update it automatically because it's the freebie version. So I'll keep it like that. It works. And you can say powered by WordPress theme because it's a freebie. But I'm fine with that. I'm also a paying customer. So that happens too. They showed a lot of ads on this one for some reason when I opened it. Yeah. Ads. Pretty cool. Big ads too. I like it. So money is a tool if you want to check that out. And that's it. Give a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm showing you how I continue to move forward. The more articles I write, the more ads get shown, the more URLs get indexed into the search engines. It's a long process. But where am I going? This time next year, I want to earn $10 a day minimum from Google ads showing on my websites, not including YouTube Partner. So I hope you follow. I hope you like the video. And you could do this too. You could build a website, and you know what? You can build an online business around the topic that you love writing about, your favorite hobby. I'm showing that it can be done. See you in the next video clip. Bye for now.